major, computer industrial technology. Okay, sorry. And our second judge, she is Rosel Joyce Castro. Guys, later on, kaya ito na silang pasayawon diri sa stage. Okay, witness o kung sila ka-talented. Okay na ba ang tanan?
Okay!
Okay, and our second judge is, she is graduated at Cebu Normal University in a batch 2023, and she is now a LPT or licensure professional teacher, and no other than she is Miss Lynn Hansel Andol. And our third judge, she is a first-year student of Cebu Doctors University of a College of Medicine, no other than Miss Noreen Limpitin. So later on, we will witness no kung sagit sila kamaayo mo judge o mo sayaw. But this time, let me call on our third contestant. We have Maria Lourdes.